The SP pump is not just any pump. When it was invented in 1967, it was the first all-stainless steel submersible pump to see the light of day. Today, it remains the benchmark in the business, and that is no coincidence. Ongoing adjustments and state-of-the-art production facilities ensure that competitors have a hard time keeping up with the original. A submersible pump that continues to deliver on outstanding reliability and with uncompromised energy efficiency. A system consists of an SP pump, a dedicated motor, a frequency drive and monitoring, all designed to ensure perfect interaction and performance. So if you want peace of mind, go with the SP pump. It's reliable, it's energy efficient, it's long-lived, and it's the original all stainless steel submersible pump.